Hello friends, a very welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I'm here with a very beautiful collections of Tassar silk sarees with a zari border. You can see the beautiful of this sarees collections from Silk Zone. These all sarees are available in our website, that is www.silkzone.in. You can directly to our website and you can have a look to our entire collection over there. And in this video I'm going to show you few of our collection here with a zari border printing design in all over the saree, the beautiful color combinations. These all sarees are available in Silk Zone at just rupees 4,200 rupees. Pure Tassar silk sarees you are going to get in just 4,200 rupees. If you want to place order through the WhatsApp, that is also possible. So the number which is visible in the screen, that is 9916448165. You can take the screenshot of any of the saree and you can directly DM us over the WhatsApp. This will be also coincided as the your order. If you can have any kinds of queries, if you want to ask before, if you want to go talk to us before the purchase of the sarees, you can directly call us on the number and you can talk to us also. These pure Tassar silk sarees are available in our stock right now. You can place the order and we can deliver this sarees today only or the tomorrow only, and you can get these sarees within 2 to 3 days. The cost of the saree is just only 4,200 rupees. All the sarees are pure Tassar silk sarees, and along with each and every saree you will be getting a silk mark tag as well. Just see that this beautiful color combination, grey color with the leafy design all over the saree, and all the sarees are having saree design in both sides of the saree as well. You are getting the saree kinds of linings in the pallu. You can see, and let me tell you one more thing, Silk Zone never gives a saree without blouse pieces. Each and every sarees include blouse pieces which is attached in the end of the saree. All the sarees include blouse pieces. Each and every saree from the Silk Zone always include a blouse pieces. We are not going to give any sarees to our customers without blouse pieces. See the design and beautiful saree border of the saree. The whole saree is designed with the this tree design. You can see this is the another one which is in purple color, having white body and purple in both side of the saree, zari border in both side, and the blackish color is there over that written is was there. You can see this green one, light green, is having a very beautiful leafy design in the downside of the saree, and it is also having a zari border in both side of the saree. This is the red one having a leaf in both side of the saree, and along with that a grey color combination is there, and beautiful the pallu is also there. Very awesome collection at just rupees 4,200 rupees. Light grey color is there which is having a golden zari border in both side of the saree, and pallu is also very beautiful. Let me show you the another one which is having a tree kind design in all over the saree, which is in a sky color and having a golden saree border in the both side of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is very beautiful. See the another one, dark green color with the red color, a very awesome collection. You can see this all sarees are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in. Our website is shown here in the screen. You can see that www.silkzone.in is there. You can go to the Chrome, you can type this and you can directly log on to our website and see our all collection over there. These all sarees are available there. You can directly place order over there also, and very awesome collections are available. You can directly talk to us also. These all facilities Silk Zone are giving to their customers, and let me tell you the cost of the saree is very less price. It's just rupees 4,200 because you are getting purchasing this saree directly from the manufacturer. So that's only you are getting this 4,200. Comparing to all other market price, this saree price is very less, friends. You can compare the price, you can check any other website and you can come back to us. For any kinds of queries you can directly call to us, that is 9916448165. We are always available there to help our customer. We are always ready to help our customer. We feel very proud, very happy, very lucky to help our customers for any kinds of queries. All these sarees are 100% pure Tassar silk sarees, and we are giving a silk mark tag along with each and every sarees, and even you are getting the blouse pieces with each and every sarees. You see the color combinations and design, red color and yellow color. This one saree is very beautiful. If you want to purchase these sarees for any kinds of occasion, then don't wait, friend. Don't lose the time. Just directly purchase here and just use it. Whenever you're going to wear these sarees, you are going to be the center of the attention, because these sarees are so much attractive, lightweight and skin friendly, very comfortable to wear also. The design and the color combinations are very unique, and these sarees are very awesome collection sarees from Silk Zone. Silk Zone is always famous for its Tasar collections. Tasar's collections are a very very awesome and very lightweighted and very beautiful. All the sarees you want to purchase, directly log on to www.silkzone.in. Don't lose your times, don't waste that opportunity, because price may increase, because the price previously was just 4,000, now it has become 4,200. So let me tell you friends, these sarees are available in just 4,200 rupees. This is the very least price for our customers. Thank you so much friends for giving your precious time to watch this video. All these sarees are available in our website, but can directly purchase through there. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your relative friends who are in search of these kinds of sarees. And don't forget to press on the bell icon as well, so you will be getting the notification to our latest collection videos. Thank you so much friends, thank you so much for watching my video till now. Have a good day. Bye bye.